But I gotta say, I am super impressed with how these have turned out. I was pretty happy with how this stuff turned out initially. Like, here's an example here of one of the bolts that just hit with the wire wheel, and I mean, that's for all intents and purposes ready for electroplating. All the rust has been knocked off. It's a clean, smooth steel surface. So yeah, so I was adequately impressed. I had already put some of these in the oil bath, and I got working on this one here. This is the front axle. It was pretty bad. It had a lot of pitting and discoloration, and it was obviously pretty well worn. So I got working on it, and I found some Scotch-Brite discs that I had with a kit, and they're the hook and loop type. And I just put that in the drill press and went at it, and yeah, I mean, this is incredible. This is next level right here. Look at the polish on that. It's incredible. Like, this looked terrible. Well, I mean, compared to this, it looked pretty bad. I mean, again, good enough for electroplating, but like, that's like brand new right there. That's incredible. I'm just amazed. I've never achieved this level before. This is this is next level right here. So yeah. So anyways, I went at the rear axle too, and you can see here same sort of results. A little bit pitted still, but man, the shine on that. I took the scratches and dings out of the end there. Obviously, it'd been beaten on to get it in on this end, and was beaten on to get it out on this end. Yeah, so like, that's amazing. So yeah, the process was to use the file there to get rid of the scratches and dings, the sandpaper to get rid of the scratches that the file left, and some Scotch-Brite, green, then red, to polish her up. And yeah, it looks amazing. I'm still just blown away by the results here. But now, to get the polish on these axles, I put a socket on the impact driver here, the cordless impact driver, and put the nut back on the axle, and just put the Scotch-Brite to it, and just let her go. Wow, see, that's shining up pretty good right there. So yeah, there's still some scratches and dings on the end of this guy here, so I'm going to take the file of that, and then the sandpaper, and then the Scotch-Brite to it, and get it looking as shiny as the other guys. So back to work.